I can hear it.
Yep.
You guys want to keep going east?
Shaking so hard.
Actually, yeah, I can't believe I lost
Do we want to try and get?
We gotta find a road that
well,
goes
not ahead
north.
of it, but behind it.
it. We gotta
I don't
come
know.
out because we're losing it right now.
Okay, let's go.